morning. It has been a minute, at least 4 weeks since me and Scout left the house, got out in the bush and spent some time together. She has literally been on the back patio just waiting to get out, so unfortunately I haven't been able to take her for a walk or anything, so Scout is with me today. So welcome. We're heading down the south coast this weekend. The plan is roughly Kings Highway, in at Cohen, find somewhere cool and set up camp. It's going to be super cold tonight. You can probably hear I am a little bit nasally. Yeah, I do have the flu. So I'm under no false pretenses. It is going to be cold tonight. We've got a cold front coming up from the southeast, and it's going to hit. There's going to be some snowfall in lower regions. Where I'm going, it's still quite close to the coast, so there's not going to be any ice fall or anything like that where I'm going, but it's only going to be a couple of 100 k's away, so it's still going to be pretty damn cold. So I've got about 2 hours of highway to do before we even see any of the bush. I'm going to stop before we go in, have some lunch, and find a place to set up camp and settle in for the night. I need to cut up some wood and get the fire going, prepare camp. So that's the plan. How much of it I stick to, I don't know. I originally thought we were going to head down to Yadboro and camp out somewhere there where I haven't camped before, but I've left early enough to explore down to Kings Highway. So Kings Highway, I can follow the bush back up to Yadboro if that needs to be the case, but until I get down there, we're not going to know what's happening. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Adventure Camping Australia is a proud ambassador of Keen. We also choose Black Wolf. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and hit that notification button so you see our videos come out when they do. Thank you for watching. Alright, we just stopped on, it just says Bly Valley Trail, or I don't know. I think I've been on this one on a previous video, and further down I believe the track is blocked, so I'm just going to go for a walk first, see if it's cleared. If it's cleared, we might head on down to this gully over here. That's going to be our next 20 minutes. Let's go. Alright, so the reason I'm so interested in getting into a gully, I don't care what gully, Yadboro Flat is in a gully. I know it's going to be cold in there, but if we've got a southerly coming through and I'm on the top of a hill, it's just going to blow through. Can't have a fire, can't put my awning out, it just won't be for a nice night. So going to check out a couple of these valley roads, and if there's somewhere nice to camp before I get to Yadboro, then and that's what we're going to do. I don't know how far this one goes. I didn't bring my map with me. Wish I had my other camera. How amazing is that? Okay. yeah, this was the tree. I remember it was like straight down and there was not much room to reverse up here, so I was parked there with VJ and I had to do the but to turn around, but that's cleared, so I wonder what's down here. I think we might walk back, get the cruiser and mosey on down. Do you want to keep walking, Scout? It's a nice little camp spot, but the bushes are slowly claiming back. Probably just this year all these saplings have been starting to grow. Like, you can't even see down there. The track still keeps going down. This is just a little offshoot, so I think we'll walk back, we'll grab the cruiser and we'll see where this thing goes. Getting a bit far away from it now. That's a big hill to walk up. Let's go, Scout. Come on. Well, I'm glad Scout walked down. That is a showstopper. Oh man. Stick, fetch, fetch. Yeah, so I went to walk back up to the car and Scout's like, nah, we're still walking, come on. So I walked with her. There's no way I'm getting the cruiser over it, under it, or around it. So this will close this track, eh? This will close the track. Let's go. Oh wow. Can't even see the track after that. Oh, there it is, right down there. Do you want to see what we're missing out on, Scout? Looks like Fern Gully down there. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's have a look. We're here now. Might as well see what we're missing out on. I could come down with the backpack one day, if it's worth it. Have a proper bush camp. It's not that hard to get to, except for this part, obviously. Oh, sugar. Go on, lead the way. Okay, I'm gonna get through this. Won't be a sec. Firewood for days. Okay. I got the grip. I got the balance. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh my god, there's another one. I bet you the payoff's massive. Oh, we can get around this one. What is it? It's a bit sketch there. You never believe it. I nearly brought my backpack. I could have it on my back right now, find out what's down here and stay there if I wanted to. But if there's nothing down here, I would have to walk all the way back up with my backpack. feel like we're about to start walking out of the valley. I think this is the bottom. I could be wrong, but we're getting a bit too far away from the car now. The car's still unlocked, doors are open, so I'm gonna head back. If it was only that little bit more, that would have been cool, but it could be a lot further, and I didn't bring my phone to check the map, so start walking back up this massive hill. Let's see if I could have got the truck around here. Oh yeah, nice and wide turn. That would have been a piece of cake. Would have given me some pinstripes, but well, that one would have hurt. I would have had to move that one. Alright, let's do it, let's go. Oh my god. Come on, you. That was a bit further than we thought, huh? Alright, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? If I leave here, I have to get more wood. If I stay here, I can't have a fire. So I don't need the wood. I could go back down to that spot just down the road there. That's pretty protected, but I can't see out of it. Can't even see the sky above me. So, I don't know. What do you reckon, Scout? Bedtime? Alright, let's figure this out. Alright, I have literally been chilling. Shush! I've been chilling hard since we got to camp. I have put on the fire, I've chopped up some wood, cooked the pork chop, had the pork chop, had a beer, and now, we went for a walk up the top of the hill. Jay, you wanted to do that. I don't recommend it. It's bloody, get your heart going. I felt like I was going to die. But in saying that, we have done the hill, come back. While I was doing the hill with Scout, we had magpies all over our camp. I left the doors open on the car. One's gone in the car, pooped over everything, and I've been picking poop out of the car for the last 20 minutes. I keep finding more. It's so annoying. But I am listening to the birds say goodnight to the sun, listening to some music. I'm gonna get the fire cranking as soon as it gets dark, and then I'm gonna turn in. Big day tomorrow. Yep. Scout, what are you doing? See you in the morning. Good morning. I'm not gonna lie, the rain came through around 2 o'clock last night. It was beautiful listening to it, but I think I could have been a little bit more proactive around camp. I left my trundle drawer open. It's got about that much water in it, I'll show you in a second. I left the cameras out where I thought they would be safe. They got soaked. Scout had water run through under her bed, so she ended up just, hello, can I get in? So she's actually in bed now. So I've got up, I've dried everything off that I could, made myself a pot of coffee, hot dogs for breakfast, yum. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It must be, yeah, it's 7:15, so family would be waking up right now. What if they're having hot dogs? Now, I'm going to enjoy this and then figure out a plan on how I'm going to pack up camp without getting too wet. Oh, it was so warm last night, eh? It wasn't cold at all. Really strange. Had a really good night. Let's see what we can do. Oh, my new carpet too. So what was happening is, because I left the drawer open, water was running down here, coming in there, and just filling it up. I'll have to get that out, because it won't drain. And I don't think it'll evaporate anytime soon. Of course the fire's on. It's a bit better. Just sponged it out with the chucks. Just like, what else could you do really? But there's still so much coming out of it. Might have to do a little bit more. Throw another log on the fire. Like seriously. Yeah, I could do this for hours I reckon. And it's still, anyway. Alright, swag tip. In my swag, you always wake up wet underneath. So I've installed it's just a $5 mat from Kmart, and I'll put some foil on it. So I've got an insulated mat, and there's not a bit of water anywhere. No condensation on the bottom. Works a treat. Alright, all packed up. I'm actually dry. It's like it's not stopped raining since I've been here. Kathmandu, weatherproof jacket, my Keens, look at my feet. They're actually warm and toasty, dry as a bone. I'm gonna go to the toilets and then might mosey on out of here. Nothing to hang around here for at the moment in the rain without any cover, so let's see what makes of the day. I really enjoyed last night's camp. I can't believe how much fun it was. I got to do some star shots. I got to do a bit of time with my dog. Have a couple of beers. Sang a few songs. It was warm, no wind. It's just a great night. But anyway, it's another one for the memories. I'm gonna go to the toilet. I'll put the fire out. Left some wood for the next people, not that it's going to be any good. It's going to be soaked, but whatever. visit every single trail I try to check out, every single one of them. It might have only just fallen down. The leaves are still green. See? So this takes us down to Deep Creek, I believe. So I'll go for a walk. See if it's any good. It's getting a bit squishy for the 4B. So I don't think this is a 4-wheel drive track anymore. Needs reopening, I reckon. That is a big tree. Not very tall anymore, but it's huge. Look at the size of that thing. Yeah, seriously. Mad. So I think this is more of a motorbike track these days. You can see the old remnants of it being a 4-wheel drive track, but it must be blocked somewhere up that end. It's definitely blocked up this end now, so it's just one for the walkers, I guess. I'm not sure if this is Deep Creek. I think it might just be a little creek channeling into Deep Creek, so I think Deep Creek runs along that way. I don't know. Once again, I didn't bring my phone with me, so I got no idea. I don't care. Look at these trees, look at these ferns. What a stunning place, huh? Nothing. There's nothing there. So this, oh yeah, it goes up there. You can follow that up. It just looks like it's coming out of the ground. Down here and to something. I gotta walk all the way back up there. Anyway, I'm going to cut this video here and thank you for joining me. If you're enjoying this content that I've been putting out lately, please hit the subscribe button, like button. Lets me know that you're enjoying it and it really helps with the algorithm. So until next time, and as always, see you on the trails.